How to activate bench boost in Fantasy Premier League. Hey everyone, welcome back to the channel. So if you want to score points from all 15 of your players in the single game week, well in this video I'll show you exactly how to activate bench boost in Fantasy Premier League. So now without further ado, let's get started. So what is bench boost? The bench boost chip lets you earn points from your full squad, including the four players usually sitting on your bench. This means you could get points from all 15 players in your team instead of just the starting 11. And bench boost is best when it is used during the double games week. So here when most or all of your squad have two matches, giving you a big chance for a score boost. But remember, you can use it only once per season, so time it wisely. And with that, here is how you can activate it. So here on the Fantasy Premier League app, just tap on the Fantasy section which can be seen at the bottom, and now here inside this section you can just tap on Pick Team option, and here once you're inside your team tab, at the upper left corner you can see the option labeled as bench boost. So simply tap on play bench boost option, and after that you'll get a confirmation text. So here just tap on play chip, and once it's active you are set. Now before you active bench boost, make sure that your bench has the players who are likely to start. You can double check for injuries or rotation risk, and make sure that your team is locked before the deadline, and once activated the chip can't be cancelled. And that's it. That's how you can use bench boost to potentially score big in Fantasy Premier League. With this, if you found this video helpful, then don't forget to like, share, and subscribe to get updated for more videos. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next video.